If you want to be more shifty, more unpredictable, get your opponents jumping more so you can score more points, this is Coach Q and this video is for you. By the end of this, you should have a good test to gauge the level of shiftiness in your game, as well as a drill to continue improving it. So what we're going to want to visualize here is a simple one-on-one face-up situation. Imagine your opponent is in front of you and you're trying to create space for yourself. The move is a simple hezi followed by a quick crossover after the imaginary opponent bites on the hesitation. Now the point of this drill is to do it in a continuous motion, smoothly and under control. The more your ball handling skills increase, the faster you'll be able to do this. As I walk into this next sequence, notice my hand placement. Every time I hit a hesitation, my hand is coming up as if I'm getting ready to shoot the ball. That is always an opportunity for me to shoot the ball if the defender does not go for the fake. Once we get the hang of that, we're going to go into our next sequence, which is going to be between the legs. Notice that my hand placement is exactly the same. All the principles apply. I'm getting ready to shoot that shot. I'm really selling this fake on this. But you can also notice that my feet are really squeaking now against the floor. That's because my feet are moving. You should not have dead feet. You should always be active. The same way I can shoot that shot when my hand is in position, my feet should be in position to shoot that shot and or in position to drive and attack, depending on what the opponent gives me. So all of that is important. For the final phase of this video, we're going to go to behind the back. The same principles apply, but pay even more attention to the way my head goes up and down surveying the opponent's feet, selling the fake as if I'm going to drive and shoot. They don't know what I'm going to do. Being unpredictable is the point of this drill. And make sure you start off as slowly as you need to. Take your time. It's important to do this the right way, not to show off your speed at first. You only get faster as you get better at it. This is Coach Q. Tell me if this video helped you. Comment below for any suggestions and ideas for future videos.